Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. आज की वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी 101 इंग्लिश के छोटे छोटे फिक्रात। चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का लेसन। क्या तुमने कुछ सुना? Did you hear anything? Did you hear anything? क्या तुमने देखा नहीं? Didn't you see? Didn't you see? क्या तुमने देखा नहीं? ज़्यादा बातें मत बनाओ. Don't make up stories. Don't make up stories. आप मुझे बताओ. You tell me. You tell me. उसे समझाओ. Make her understand. Make her understand. अली सुबह आया था. Ali came in the morning. Ali came in the morning. अली कह रहा था. Ali was saying. Ali was saying. वो कुछ कह रहा था. He was saying something. He was saying something. उसने क्या कहा? What did he say? What did he say? और अगर आपने ये कहना हो कि वो किस से बात कर रहा था, तो इंग्लिश में पूछेंगे Who was he talking to? Who was he talking to? वो अपने दोस्त से बात कर रहा था. He was talking to his friend. He was talking to his friend. मैं वहाँ नहीं था. I wasn't there. I wasn't there. मैं इस वक्त मसरूफ़ हूँ. I'm busy right now. I'm busy right now. वो सो रहा था. He was sleeping. He was sleeping. तुम घर पर नहीं थे. You were not at home. You were not at home. तुम खाना शुरू करो. You start eating. You start eating. मैं आपके जैसा नहीं हूँ. I'm not like you. I'm not like you. मुझे 2 मिनट दीजिए. Give me 2 minutes. Give me 2 minutes. तुम क्यों उकताए हुए हो? Why are you frustrated? Why are you frustrated? मैं उदास नहीं हूँ. I'm not feeling sad. I'm not feeling sad. मेरी तबीयत ठीक नहीं. I'm not feeling well. I'm not feeling well. सब कुछ काबू में है. Everything is under control. Everything is under control. मुझे ये करना है. I have to do this. I have to do this. और अगर आपको ये कहना हो कि मुझे ये करना था, तो इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे I had to do this. I had to do this. मुझे ये हर हाल में करना है. I have to do this by hook or by crook. I have to do this by hook or by crook. सब उदास हैं. Everyone is sad. Everyone is sad. अब मैं मुतमईन हूँ. Now I am feeling satisfied. Now I am feeling satisfied. इसे कैसे खोलूं? How to open this? How to open this? क्या मैं एक ले सकता हूँ? May I have one? May I have one? ये वाला या वो वाला? This one or that one? This one or that one? मैं तुम्हें बता चुकी हूँ. I have told you. I have told you. मैं तुम्हें कई बार बता चुकी हूँ. I have told you many times. I have told you many times. मैं तुम्हें दिखाऊंगी. I'll show you. I'll show you. मैं तुम्हें अगली बार दिखाऊंगी. I'll show you next time. I'll show you next time. तुम्हें ध्यान देना चाहिए. You should pay attention. You should pay attention. वो बहुत लापरवाह है. She is so careless. She is so careless. वो बहुत चिड़चिड़ी सी है. She is so cranky. She is so cranky. वो बहुत लगन से काम करती है. She works with devotion. She works with devotion. उसका पीछा करो. Follow him. Follow him. ये तुम्हारा काम है. It's your work. It's your work. मुझसे बात मत करो. Don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. इस बारे में परेशान मत हो. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. कोई इस बारे में बात कर रहा था. Someone is talking about it. Someone is talking about it. मुझे जवाब दो. Answer me. Answer me. मैं ध्यान से सुन रही हूँ. I am all ears. I am all ears. हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं. We all are with you. We all are with you. हम सब तुम्हारे साथ हैं. क्या तुम वहाँ थे? Were you there? Were you there? यही तो मसला है. That's the problem. That's the problem. मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. I am with you. I am with you. मैं तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. तुम कहाँ थे? Where were you? Where were you? मैं दोस्तों के साथ था. I was with my friends. I was with my friends. मैं छत पर था. I was on the rooftop. I was on the rooftop. मैं फ़ोन पर अपने वालिद से बात कर रहा था. I was on the phone with my dad. I was on the phone with my dad. मैं घर के रास्ते पर था. I was on the way home. I was on the way home. आपने देखा कि हमने एक ही सवाल को किस तरह मुख्तलिफ तरीके से आंसर किया है. ये दिन शुरू करने का वक्त है. It's time to start the day. It's time to start the day. मुझे सबसे पहले क्या करना चाहिए? What should I do first? What should I do first? चलो कुछ खाते हैं. Let's eat something. Let's eat something. तुमने मेरा भरोसा तोड़ा है. You broke my trust. You broke my trust. क्या ये तुम्हारा है? Is it yours? Is it yours? कौन कौन है वहाँ? Who all are there? Who all are there? कौन मौजूद है? Who is present? Who is present? क्या आप मुझे बता सकते हैं वहाँ कौन है? Can you tell me who is there? Can you tell me who is there? ये खूबसूरत लगता है. It looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. मैं ये वाला खरीदना चाहती हूँ. I want to buy this one. I want to buy this one. ये महंगा लगता है. It looks expensive. It looks expensive. चलो वहाँ चलते हैं. Let's go there. Let's go there. मैं तैयार नहीं हूँ. I am not ready. I am not ready. तुम अभी तक तैयार नहीं हो. You are not ready yet. You are not ready yet. मैं किसी और का इंतजार कर रहा हूँ. I am waiting for someone else. I am waiting for someone else. तुम किसका इंतजार कर रहे हो? Who are you waiting for? Who are you waiting for? मैं उसे अच्छी तरह जानता हूँ. I know him very well. I know him very well. मैं अकेला हूँ. I am alone. I am alone. यहाँ कोई नहीं है. Nobody is here. Nobody is here. मैं उसे नहीं जानता. I don't know him. I don't know him. क्या तुम उसके बारे में बता सकते हो? Can you tell about him? Can you tell about him? तुम क्यों पूछते हो? Why do you ask? Why do you ask? अपने बारे में कुछ बताओ. Tell me something about yourself. Tell me something about yourself. अपनी फैमिली के बारे में बताओ. Tell me about your family. Tell me about your family. तुम्हारे पास किस किस्म का इल्म है? What kind of knowledge do you have? What kind of knowledge do you have? कितना पढ़े लिखे हो? What is your education? What is your education? तुम मज़ीद सीखना चाहते हो? Do you want to learn more? Do you want to learn more? ये हुई ना बात. That's the way. That's the way. मुझसे गलती हो गई. I made a mistake. I made a mistake. मैं पछता रहा हूँ. I feel guilty. I feel guilty. बेवकूफ मत बनो. Don't be silly. Don't be silly. ये मेरी गलती नहीं थी. It was not my fault. It was not my fault. कोई मसला है क्या? Any problem? Any problem? हाथ मुंह धो लो. Freshen up. Freshen up. उसने मुझे कॉल किया. He called me. He called me. उसने मुझे बताया। He told me. He told me. तुम धोखेबाज हो। You are a cheater. You are a cheater. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। I don't care. I don't care. मुंह मत बनाओ। Don't make your face. Don't make your face. अपने हाथ धो लो। Wash your hands. Wash your hands. क्या तुम जानते हो? Do you know? Do you know? घूरना बंद करो। Stop staring. Stop staring. मेरा फ़ोन गुम हो गया है। I lost my phone. I lost my phone.